There's our boy right there. What's up, dude? How are you, man?
What's up? Never held this much money in my life.
So who's doing what?
I'm doing Instagram. He's doing Snap. He's doing Twitter. You're doing Facebook?
I'm pulling my thumbs. Yeah, I'll do Facebook.
Man,
I'm just gonna watch you guys do it. I'm just gonna talk.
double fisting it?
Whoa, TP!
Ooh, I want one of those.
Stefan's bringing a whole new meaning to
That
DP.
looks like it's got like some fucking...
Double penetration.
Double penetration.
Sure. We talked about DP.
Alright, let's go.
This isn't a sponsored video by Great Value, the Kroger brand.
Sponsored by Great Value.
Hook us up, Great Value.
Great value.
This is what I
Thank
talked about
you.
earlier. The grain.
So a lot of my followers were asking what my morning snack routine is.
I already had a hamburger this
A
morning.
lot of you were asking what my skin routine is. A lot of
Literally
you were
no one
asking how my
ever.
face gets so oily.
I'm gonna wait for more people because it's like silent right. It says, oh, we got 2 people. What's Instagram got?
169.
God
207.
damn it.
207?
230.
Oh man.
Does Twitter show?
13.
Yeah,
Oh,
boy.
We're almost at 600, man.
Oh, we got Scott. DCG 19 winner on. That's cool.
What's up, Scott?
What's up, Scott?
What's up?
Miss the car you have.
This car was awesome.
The car was awesome.
No,
Where are we going live?
Well, no. Who wants? We got a drum roll.
Ta-da!
That's because we found out just barely that we have ourselves a verified winner.
Yeah!
Stefan, you have to say his name because I'll kill it. I know where he's from.
I will even kill it.
Yeah.
But
Got it?
I will read it if you want me
Can
to.
you read it? Can you read it?
The winner, straight from Martin Kane, who does the drawing, is Rushan Batalov. Batalov. I don't know how to say your name, but it's really cool.
Rushan. So Rushan Batalov.
Yeah.
Wow, I
Is that
said
what we're
it
going
right.
with?
From Tennessee, right?
RB. That's where we're RB from Tennessee.
RB from Tennessee.
It's Ruslan?
Rushan.
Rushan. Wow, I'm gonna kill that.
Just Rushan.
Can you imagine when he comes to the shop how many times I'm gonna butcher that in his face? That's gonna be terrible. He's gonna hate me. Probably gonna send the KGB after me.
The KGB? Who's that?
I don't know. It's probably a hit squad.
I don't know who that
It's
is.
a hit squad. I'm
Is
old.
it?
I feel so old right now. Oh God. But everyone, let's all join in and congratulate Rushan. Rushan?
Rushan.
God, I'm gonna ruin that. Rushan on winning DCG 24. Rushan, we will get in contact with you. This is Tennessee.
Tennessee?
Like, I'm a Tennessee Titan fan. This is kind of exciting. Whenever I see Tennessee, part of my heart gets excited.
I don't think we've never had a winner from Tennessee, have we?
No, we haven't.
That's cool.
Like, that's crazy.
It's a new one on the map.
So, congratulations, Rushan from Tennessee. That is awesome. We'll get in contact with you. Hopefully, you're watching this right now. If you're not, well, we're gonna call you. It's gonna be so. Just look for an 801 number because it's coming at you hot.
Dang, boy, put him up in the Marriott. Wow.
Yeah, you know this.
Life must be good at 8080.
Hey, we are here. Send. Well, you know how we do.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are picking up the winner of the Boss 240SX. If you're new to the channel, we give away cars, and you should consider subscribing or giving us a follow. There's our boy right there. What's up, dude? How are you,
What's
man?
up?
I'm Stefan.
Rushan?
And your buddy?
Chris.
What's up, man?
What's up? We're ready to get this car.
Heck yeah, dude. Hop in.
When did you get that one?
Like 2 years ago, I think it was a Supra.
The blue Supra? Was it that one?
I think
Or gray
it
Supra?
was a gray Supra.
Oh, okay, yeah.
How was your flight?
It was good. A little long. But it was good.
It's like
Excited.
what, 4 hours from there? Three hours from
It was,
Tennessee?
it was like an hour 20
Detroit.
flight and then a 3.5 hour flight.
I'll run in and grab Levi. We're gonna grab the mic for you.
Okay.
You want to hang out here for a minute?
We'll go to, so you can get them all ready so we don't have to stand in the rain. We'll just go to the shipping side.
Just that door?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We don't want to ruin
Okay, dude. You ready?
I
For
think
life
so.
to change forever?
Yeah?
Okay, dude, get pumped. All
Give
right.
it to me. Woo! Look at it.
Don't waste any time. Yeah!
Oh, it's unreal. It is so perfect. Wow. You know, even seeing the car, it's still not that real. I cannot believe this is my car. That's crazy. I'm shaking. Hello. My car. Ooh. Oh yeah.
That'll do.
That'll do right
How
there.
about that?
That'll do. I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
Where's
Currently.
the first place you're gonna take it?
Work?
Yeah.
So I can show everyone that it's real?
Well, they'll leave you there. You're only a bunch of clock back.
What do you think, man?
Dude, this thing's badass.
Pretty wild, huh?
Yeah, this thing is so freaking nice.
Yeah, what'd you buy for this giveaway?
I bought my girlfriend a t-shirt. It's not even my t-shirt.
Just one t-shirt?
Just one t-shirt,
So is it-
$40.
Does that mean it's her car?
No. She might think so. The dress, the pullover dress.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
Let's just take notes. Funny about your shirt. Oh, by the way, I won money in a freaking car. It's like the gift that keeps on giving.
Did you see his old shirt design from like
Yeah,
2
yes,
years
sir.
ago?
Yeah.
That is an old design.
This is for a Supra I tried to get. I didn't get the Supra.
Been
I got
entering
the
for a
engine.
while.
You got partial with the Supra.
Yeah!
It's warm, everybody. Let's keep stepping. Yeah. Now it's kind of sinking in. It's my car. I got the keys. It's my car.
Now it's real. But you checked under the hood. Have you checked on the trunk?
I open the trunk. Key?
Yeah, you can do the trunk, the key or the...
Look at that. Never held this much money in my life.
Real Hondas.
Real hundos. And my car. It's my car. It's my car. Man. Feels heavy. Feels real heavy.
I gotta ask you something.
Me?
Did you guys sleep last night?
Barely.
You're half asleep still, dude. It's like, you need Red Bull? Someone get him some
Dude,
Red
I
Bull.
do.
Like ASAP.
Yeah, we got in about midnight. It's got up like 6:30.
Can I hug you? Give me a hug. Thank you.
There it is.
I will. I definitely will.
Like it's going down.
It's crazy.
Yeah!
Oh, this car's so amazing. I love it so much. Burn out off the two-step. Dude, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So also, this is on like the mild tune.
Okay.
You can keep going straight if you want.
I should know how bump that was.
Yeah. So this is just like wastegate pressure.
I'll tell you what, it already feels faster than my car. Wow.
Yeah, you can make a big loop just going straight this way. Yeah, this is just like 13 pounds, something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's
Okay, shit.
yeah, you can turn this shit up and it'll hit like probably close to 800, 850.
Oh, no, I'm not ready for that.
Depending on how buck you want to get.
I'm not trying to get too bugging this thing. This thing's so nice. It just gives me more confidence in my S13 now.
Yeah.
Like I got another car at home. Man, this is so crazy. This wheel is so nice.
Are you gonna keep both of them?
Oh hell yeah!
Are you gonna like drift one and like just keep
This
one?
this is gonna be like a show car.
Okay, and then drift your S13.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. That'll be sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this around to shows. You know, Slammed Enough. I don't know if you guys know Slammed
Oh, yeah,
Enough.
yeah.
That's from Memphis, so
Oh, are they?
we do Slammed Enough. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that's where they were from.
Sounds just like the videos.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the car, at least all the engine work, was put together. There's a shop out here called 2JZ Motorsports. So they specialize in that. So this
Yeah.
thing's like rock solid.
It feels it. It feels perfect.
Because we do a lot of the work in house, but when it comes to like specialty, like motor work and stuff like that,
Yeah, you guys.
you know, we don't want to just like do as best as we can and be like, ah, it's good enough. So
Wow.
yeah, we send that to a special shop.
Beautiful. What an amazing ride. Wow.
That was cool. Rushan can drive.
Rushan brought the same exact face at me that Casey did on deadline day. I was like, oh shit! I wasn't ready for him to tear it up right there.
Right?
So it was like the Vin Diesel face.
I was like,
Like all the way down there.
That was sick, dude.
thank you.
I think that's the fastest you've seen a group of men run into the rain. Not away from it, into it. They're like, holy shit, something's happening.
Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end.
See ya. Congrats.
Rushan is heading back to Memphis.
Safe, man.
Brother,
Thank you.
I'm giving you a hug, man. Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate it so much.
Dude, I'm hugging you too.
Good.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Kevin.
Okay.
8080, you are the best. Thank you.
Yeah, send us a picture when you guys get the car.
Oh yeah, definitely will. You'll all see a lot of pictures from me.
Okay.
We're gonna get some. Thank you.
All right, guys. Safe travels. Oh boy.
Hustle Bustle Airport.
Hustle Bustle Airport.
Is way less busy today though.
And just like that, another giveaway car is gone. Rushan's gonna get the 240 delivered to his house in Memphis in probably just like a week or two. So we'll post up some pictures. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. It's just at 8080. Follow us on Facebook. We'll post some update pictures of all the past winners there, including Rushan and his 240. But we'll go ahead and end the video there. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. We appreciate all your support. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
That's the magic of editing.
That's the magic of editing.
That's movie.
Movie magic. Subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Now you can watch me drive my C63 AMG for 5 minutes.
5-minute outro.
Yeah, in heavy traffic. Okay, there's always this one idiot that drives like 10 miles an hour.
Get out!